Hi folks, Ken Rust here with Louisiana Pond Management. Just a short video on putting together a couple of the products from Pond King for fish habitat. The first one is the bush, and it is great for water 4 to 5 feet deep. And these are fairly easy to put together. You're putting into, a plastic tube into a pre-drilled hole. There's just a lot of holes to fill. The structures are self-weighting. The second structure is the tree, and those can be used in deeper water. They can even be suspended and actually float, but they do have a weight that self-weights them to the bottom. These last forever. They make great designated fishing areas, especially if you're fishing with kids where they might hang up a hook. People seldom hang a hook up. They last forever, and it's good complex structure for bass and also your forage.